So we're here at Watermouth Cove Beach Resort. It's a lovely little holiday camp. I'm here with my wife and my children. Here they are. Freya, say hello.
Hello.
Miles.
Hello.
And we've brought our boat and we're going to launch it. We're going to go and look for some dolphins, aren't we?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. We're going to go and look for some dolphins. They've got a nice little cove where you can launch your boat and they take you down there on a tractor. And they've also got
on a tractor.
Yeah, and they've also got a lovely harbour with a little cafe there, which is made out of an old boat. It's really very nice.
It's a game of ring.
Yeah, so we're going to go and look for some dolphins.
Yeah, tomorrow.
And stay tuned and we'll see if we find any. Devon coast, North Devon. We've come from over there. Here's Freya. Here's Mummy. Here's Miles. We're going to go and see if we can find some dolphins. Not sure we'll find anyone, but we'll have a good look. Then we might go over there to that beach. Get some lunch.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
If we're allowed. Anyway, it's still very pleasant. Much calmer than it was off the coast of the Isle of Wight. So we found this little cove, quite pleasant. See the family over there, the boat, the cove. Very nice. Come out of Ilfracombe, motored for about 45 minutes, found this little cove and pulled in here, had a little picnic. We'll be leaving soon. Have a look around, see if we can see any. What's that?
Are you putting this on YouTube?
Yeah. We're going to see if we can find some dolphins, aren't we?
Yeah.
Have we seen any yet?
No, but when we were on the beach, I did see some splash.
Did you?
Yeah.
Could have been a dolphin, couldn't it?
Yeah.
Probably wasn't though. It wasn't Mummy falling in the water, was it? What's that? Can you see his eyes? The boy's gone to sleep.
Mom's gone to sleep.
What's that?
I can't believe we're on Hailing Island. He fell asleep.
He did, didn't he?
He was very afraid.
Yeah. It was rough then as well, wasn't
Yeah,
it? He went night-night.
snoozing off. Night-night.
Should we tell the people a bit about the boat? Shall we tell them that this is an Xcape Marine Explorer and this is the 4.2 metre version with 3 seats. And this one's available by request. But we normally do a 2.7 metre solo, don't we? And we do a 3.65 metre pilot. And we do a 4 metre Explorer, which is the same as this, but only has 2 seats. This is the 4.2 metre that has 3 seats. And it's very good because it's got me, you, Mummy, and the boy sitting on the floor at the front, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Asleep.
Yeah.
Can we see any dolphins yet? Not yet. Oh, what's that over there? So this evening we saw dolphins, not from the boat admittedly, but we did see them standing here on the shore looking out to sea. We saw about 5 dolphins swimming along, so that was a success. So next year we're going to come again and hopefully we'll see dolphins from the boat. So subscribe to the channel and then next year watch the video and see if we have more luck next time.